Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to get that good graphics on Midnight Club 3 like the video that I did once, like this one where this is 2005 and then there's the current video. So yeah, there's UI, there's HD, everything, and great lighting. So to install this, I'm going to start with PSX2, assuming you have PSX2 installed, set up with the game you own. Okay, so you're going to open up PSX2, you're going to go to setting. I'm going to skip it for now. I'm going to go to settings, I'm going to go to graphics, and I'm going to set this to 11. I'm going to set this to my graphics card, and I'm going to use all the settings that you can see here. Force 32-bit, very slow settings, trilinear, this, your resolution. Make sure you're gonna load this, and here's the texture folder. You're gonna remember that one, but use this one right here, none, and then again I'm gonna go back to it, sharp. Okay, and then you can go to emulation. You can just choose these settings. You can choose something high if you want to. I'm okay with 60 to be honest, and this is gonna be 300 and nothing, and that should be okay. And then I'm going to close this, right click on our Midnight Club, and I'm going to go to patches. I'm going to enable all of these patches. You can install mods, cheats from the Discord link I'm going to give you, but it's unnecessary for the video, so you can skip it if you like to. And then after that, you're going to go install the mods. So since we selected DirectX 11, it means we can install DirectX 11 Reshade, which is this. So you're going to just copy and paste this, which I've done already. And then remember the texture folder. So you're going to go to that texture folder, go to this, go to replacement folder. And then I'm gonna install the Remix HD texture by Moataz, just replacement, and paste everything in here. And if you need to replace, then replace, but usually you don't have to replace because it's not there already. Then you can copy these, which includes UI, some textures, some sky textures that are less grainy, better, some fixes that makes this even better, like minimap fixes and etc. With that, you can go ahead, double tick, and you can let the game start the game, and it's gonna start up. Okay, so if you like this, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.